Welcome to this channel. It's been a while, but I'm back again. I just want to share some information of how you can fine-tune this strategy. And I'm referring to the strategy that I shared in my previous two videos. If you didn't see those videos, please do watch them. They will help you a lot. Before I can proceed to give you that information, I just want to respond to a few comments that I received. And the first one is the zoom level. Okay, just zoom out and then you move to the first step. Okay, that is the zoom level that I use. I don't know whether it's 1 or 2, but you just zoom out and then you move to the first step. Even though you can use the second step, but the best you can do is use the first step. The other comment was the time frame. You can use it for every time frame. It depends on the type of trader you are. Scalpers will use smaller time frames like M15, M5, M1. If you are an intraday trader, you can use anything from the daily 4-hour and the hourly. You can also use it for top-down analysis. For example, right here, I'm on the 4-hour time frame, but to take a trade, I can move down to the 15-minute time frame to see or to wait for price to also close below this key level. As you can see, price is below this key level that I have drawn. Another comment was, does this strategy apply for indices? Of course, you can use this strategy for synthetic indices, even though I have not traded it, but I know that you can use it based on the movement of the indices. And one good thing is that the synthetic indices are not affected by news. So if you are trading the synthetic indices, you can apply this strategy without any problem. Of course, you'd have to do some little research before you can go in full time. For today, I just want to show you how to fine-tune this strategy so that it works for you. Remember, this was a mobile strategy, but then we moved to trading view, and on the mobile, we have the added advantage of using the RSI, the relative strength index, whereby we first wait for price to touch the 90 line level and then we take a sell, or we wait for price to touch the 10 line level and then we take a buy. But before we take a buy, remember, we also analyze on the main chart, whereby we wait for price to close below the previous key level. So when you are trading on trading view, the disadvantage is that I haven't been able to set up the RSI in a way that is profitable. The best thing you can do for now is to use both mobile and trading view, whereby you use your mobile to observe what is happening on the RSI. And once you have observed what is happening on the RSI, you can then move on to analyze on your trading view. Because if you say you are going to take a sell trade right here, as you can see, I have taken a sell trade. This area right here should be an area of interest. It should be at the 90 line level on the RSI. Same thing, if you say you are going to take a buy, let's say right here. If you say you are going to take a buy, this point right here, this lowest point, should be an area of interest. It should be your 10 line level on the RSI. Another thing that you can do, maybe, let's say it was a double bottom and you are seeing a sell entry right there. You can take that trade because this is an area of interest. It's a key zone. It's a double bottom. I remember some are asking me to make a video on how to identify key levels. I think that's going to be my next video, which I am going to share tomorrow. So please get ready for tomorrow's video. It's going to be on how to identify key levels. But if you miss it, let me just give you a clue. Whenever price is moving up like that, these pivots are your key levels. This is a key level right here. At this pivot, it's a key level, such that when price closed above this key level right here, you would take a buy But if you are using the method that I recently shared, the 5-point entry method, you would wait for price to pull back, and then you would take your trade somewhere right here when price closes above the key level on the smaller time frame. Please, for you to understand this, make sure to watch the videos that I shared, the previous 2 videos. I will put their links in the video description so that this will make sense. For now, I'm just going to end here, and then I am going to share the video tomorrow on how to identify key levels. Thank you for watching.